Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ukulele at home. First, gather your essential materials. You will need wood for the body, neck, and fretboard, such as mahogany or spruce. Don't forget ukulele strings, 4 tuning machines, and reliable wood glue. Basic hand tools like a saw, chisel, and sandpaper are also crucial. For beginners, a soprano ukulele with its 13 to 15-inch scale length is a great starting point. Next, let's construct the ukulele's body. Start by carefully cutting and shaping the top, back, and side pieces from your selected wood. You will then need to bend the side pieces to form the classic ukulele curves, which can be achieved by soaking the wood in water or using steam. Afterward, install internal bracing, often made of spruce, to provide structural support and enhance the instrument's tone. Finally, cut a circular sound hole, typically 2 to 3 inches in diameter, into the top wood piece. Now let's focus on the neck and fretboard. Begin by carving the neck from a suitable wood blank, shaping it for a comfortable grip. Once carved, securely glue the fretboard onto the neck, ensuring it is perfectly flat. This is a critical step for playability. Next, precisely mark and cut the fret slots according to your chosen ukulele scale length. Finally, carefully install the fret wire into each slot, then level and crown them for smooth, buzz-free playing. For the final steps, we assemble and finish your ukulele. First, securely attach the neck to the body using strong wood glue and clamps, ensuring perfect alignment. Next, precisely position and glue the bridge onto the body. Its placement is crucial for accurate intonation, typically twice the distance from the nut to the 12th fret. Install the 4 tuning machines onto the headstock, then string your new instrument. Finally, apply a protective finish, like Wypon polyurethane, for durability and a beautiful appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.